Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by chopping and arranging tools so nothing interrupts the melt. Once ready, melt 2/3 of the chocolate gently over a bain-marie or short microwave bursts. Stir constantly to avoid hot spots. Add a small controlled amount of neutral oil or melted cocoa butter, about 1 teaspoon per 50 grams, to reintroduce fat that helps rebind cocoa solids. Keep the temperature low and steady. This first integration prevents further seizing and creates the base for a smooth recovery. Once most pieces have softened, take the bowl off heat and continue stirring. Your motion forces tiny fat droplets to coat cocoa particles, turning grainy mess into a glossy emulsion. If the texture resists, return briefly to gentle warmth and add fat in quarter teaspoon increments, mixing fully between additions. This avoids overthinning. Make sure to scrape the bowl and fold inward so unmelted bits join the mass. If moisture caused the split, switch strategy. Whisk in a tablespoon of warm cream to rebuild a ganache-style emulsion. You finish by testing a spoonful on parchment to confirm sheen and mouthfeel. If it looks glossy and sets firm, you're done. For minor graininess, blitz briefly with an immersion blender or strain through a fine sieve to smooth texture. If the chocolate appears oily, whisk in 1 or 2 teaspoons of warm cream to re-emulsify. However, if it smells scorched or bitter, it's best to discard and start fresh. Remember, gentle heat and small additions save chocolate more often than forceful fixes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.